If you are below 21 years of age or the legal drinking age in your state, then the best booze for you is Tarboos. A friend of mine who doesn't drink suggested this for promoting legal drinking age checkpoints on Boozy. Moving on. Hello everyone and welcome to Boozy TV, where we talk about our product features, founder stories, business insights and much more. Now, at Boozy, one of our top priority is safe and responsible drinking, and one of our prime focus is to filter out underage alcohol purchase or any type of illegal purchases by creating fake IDs, etc. And we truly believe that technology can enable us to maintain high standards of regulations and restrictions to ensure a highly secure, reliable and enjoyable customer experience for all our users. And to achieve this, we have partnered with AI company Hyperverge. Hyperverge has AI models for real-time image and video analysis for digital KYC with very high accuracy and recall values. We are integrating their AI solutions on Boozy for our user authentication mechanisms. And today, I will show you how we will be doing the user authentication and verification on Boozy. Initially, my plan was to talk about how we are doing it, but then I thought, why not show you in the app itself, as that is how you will be authenticating your profile once you sign up. So today, I will try to sign up as a new user on my own app. Let's see how this goes. To begin with, if I open my app, so here you can see it's world's first social drinking platform, and I try to sign in. So I'll just put my number and I'll receive an OTP. So it fetches the OTP and it signs me in. Now, as you can see, the app is already up and running, and there are some great contents already in the app where you can socialize. I'll take you through the app in a later video where I will be talking about the features, the platform, the engagement tools, etc. For today, we will be focusing on the user profile and how do you authenticate when you are a new user. So when I'm a new user, this is my profile page, and as you can see, currently it's blank. So I'll go and update my profile. I'll change my profile pic. Let's see if I have any good image. Okay. Maybe I'll use this one. All right. This seems okay. So now in this, once I get in the app, I can use the whole app. I can browse the catalog. I can see all the items that is available, and I can add to cart. And once I go to the cart for the first time, but you cannot proceed to pay, because to proceed to pay, it will ask for your authentication first. And this is the area where we will be deploying AI. So here I will select a document type, which is Aadhaar card I'm having in my case. So this is the Aadhaar card, and I'll just go ahead and allow and click processing. So what happens is when you click your document on this, AI at the backend extracts the text via OCR and pulls out your date of birth to verify whether you are above the legal drinking age in your state or not. Now that's first part. Now if I verify that the photo is okay, use this photo, and the next step is to take a selfie. Let me just go ahead and take a selfie capture. Okay. So once you have done your photo and the Aadhaar card, at this stage it matches your photo, selfie photo, with the document photograph and verifies whether the ID that has been provided is of the same user or not. So when I press done, and now as you can see, you can proceed to pay. So this is how I'll just, once I put my email address, so now I can choose the mode of payment and I can proceed to pay. So this is how, as you saw on Boozy, we create a checkpoint where only a legal user who is above the drinking age in his or her state can only order alcohol. And also, as you can see in your own profile, once you have verified your data by uploading your ID and taking the photo, you get a blue tick on your profile picture, meaning that the profile is verified. Hence, to all our users, whoever will be browsing and using Boozy, they can very well figure out which of the users are real, they are authenticated users, and which of them are just guys and girls who are browsing on the platform. So that also helps create a very user-friendly community where it's reliable and it's also secure, and you are always sure that the people whom you are meeting or interacting or engaging on the platform are verified users. And also, once you have done your verification and you have got your blue tick, you will automatically see once you go into your profile that the age authentication is complete. Hence, you cannot anymore change or modify. So once the profile is created, we ensure that it cannot be tweaked later by other users. So once the data is captured, it always stays with the profile. Now, you may have a question that what if my ID is weared off and the photo is not clear? Well, the system can handle a certain level of weathered off photo, old photos, but yes, the photo should be at least readable to the system, or you will be definitely asked to produce other ID where the photo is better or clearer. However, as you can also see, I just used my Aadhaar card wherein the photo is not the latest photo, it's also fairly old, and also I don't look the same. However, that is something technology, their engine is designed to handle those variables, and they still maintain a high accuracy rate while taking care of these kind of variables. Also, systems are so optimized that it works even at low bandwidth networks that we sometimes have in some parts of India. So now you know how we are partnering and deploying the best technology available to ensure that Boozy becomes your preferred platform for all things alcohol. And together we can work towards creating a system and awareness to promote responsible drinking behaviors in India. I hope you liked the video and found it interesting. Let us know if you have any question in mind or want to know about something specific around social drinking platform by dropping a comment below so that we can get back to you and answer your queries. We'll be bringing more such technology and product talks here on Boozy TV, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we drop our new videos on the channel. You can also follow us on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, where we keep you updated on what's going on in Boozy regularly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers from Boozy.